This video walks you through how to create a dashboard in monday.com. Begin by signing in to your monday.com account. If you are not already on the main home area after logging in, wait for the workspace view to load so you can see your available boards and spaces clearly. The dashboard will be created inside a specific workspace, so it helps to confirm you are in the right account before moving forward. Next, open the workspace where you want the dashboard to live. In monday.com, workspaces are used to organize boards and related items, so this is the place where your new dashboard will be stored. If you have more than one workspace, take a moment to select the correct one from the sidebar or main workspace area. That keeps the dashboard connected to the part of your account where you plan to use it. Once the workspace is open, look near the workspace name for the plus button. Click that plus button to add something new inside the workspace. This opens the Add New menu, which includes several types of items you can create. The menu may appear as a drop-down or panel depending on your view, but the next action is the same. From the Add New menu, select Dashboard. This tells monday.com that you want to create a dashboard rather than a board, document, or another workspace item. After you click Dashboard, a setup window or prompt will appear so you can define the dashboard details before it is created. Now enter a name for your dashboard. Type the name you want to use in the dashboard name field. Choose a name that matches the purpose of the dashboard so it is easier to identify later, especially if your workspace contains several boards and dashboards. The title you enter here will be the label shown in your workspace once the dashboard is created. After naming the dashboard, select the board or boards you want to connect. monday.com uses these connected boards to pull in the information that will appear in the dashboard. You can choose one board if the dashboard is meant to track a single workflow, or multiple boards if you want the dashboard to bring together data from different areas. Make sure you select the intended boards before continuing, since these connections determine what the dashboard will be based on. With the name entered and the boards selected, click Create Dashboard. monday.com will create the new dashboard and place it inside the workspace you chose earlier. Depending on your account and the number of boards connected, it may take a moment for the dashboard to appear and finish loading. Your monday.com dashboard is now created and connected to the selected boards.